Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. We're back in the kitchen today because we are making sweet potato fries. And I don't mean to brag, but I may make the best sweet potato fries that you can make at home that are baked. They're not fried, they're great for you. They're loaded with beta carotene, which is great for your eyes. They have vitamin A. They're so good. If this is the first time you're seeing me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. I make lots of healthy recipes, healthy tips, and just basically how to live your best life. So make sure you subscribe. I'm so excited for this video because I've been getting a lot of DMs on Instagram when I make sweet potato fries, how I get them so crispy. And guys, there's a big secret about how to get them so crispy. So let's get into the video. All right, guys, so to make the sweet potato fries, you're obviously going to need a sweet potato. You can also use purple sweet potatoes as well. That would be really fun. So start by just taking the skin off of the sweet potato. And I love sweet potatoes because they're high in vitamin A, which is really great for the health of both your blood and your skin. They're loaded with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. And they have thiamine, which basically helps your food give you energy in your body. So once you're done taking off the skin, go ahead and slice like toasts that are about ½ inch thick. So the secret to this is you don't want your fries to be too thick because then they won't be able to get nice and crispy. So we're going to cut into matchstick, that's what it's called. So cut your toasts and then cut that down lengthwise. So you don't want any of them to be too big. If some of them are too big, just cut them again in half. Then I'm going to be tossing that into a bowl and we're going to be adding in the secret ingredients. So once you've got that all in, you're going to add in some avocado oil. Now I use avocado oil because it has a higher smoke point. So if you're cooking or baking anything above 350 degrees, you need to use avocado oil because it has a higher smoke point. Olive oil maxes out at 350, and if you use it above that, it does lead to damaging free radicals and everything like that. Then I'm adding in a tablespoon and a half of tapioca starch. This is the main ingredient / secret that makes them amazing. And what it does is the tapioca starch kind of adheres to the fries once they've been coated with a little bit of the avocado oil, and that's what makes them super crispy. They kind of have that crunch on the outside. That's why when you go to restaurants and things like that, they're always so crispy because they're not just sweet potato, they have a little bit of a starch on the outside. So I'm using my avocado oil again just to grease the bottom of our pan because there's nothing more sad than making fries and then having them all stick to the pan. So you want to make sure it is well greased. Then go ahead and toss your fries onto your baking sheet. And another secret tip is you want to make sure that they're all evenly spaced and none of them are on top of each other. So they all need their own space and they all need to be separated a little bit. This helps the oven kind of air fry them a bit. We're going to use a generous helping of sea salt because salty fries are yummy and it's also really good for you. And I'm spraying it again on the top just with a little bit of avocado oil. We want to get them crispy. Then we bake those in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven, and you will have wonderfully crispy fries. So once your sweet potato fries are done and out of the oven, they will be crispy, warm, just a touch of salt, delicious. I can't wait to dig in, so let's go do the taste test. They're so good. They got a little bit of crispiness on the outside because of the tapioca, but they're perfectly soft on the inside. They're baked, so they're not fried, so you don't have to worry. You could have these every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you make these, be sure to tag me on Instagram or send me a story or a video or photo, whatever it is, because I want to see you guys enjoying these fries, and I'm going to be enjoying them with you because I make these so often, multiple times a week. They're delish. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.